Hi David, here's your 120V. Problem with the 21 megahertz band that you had a problem, it wasn't locking. The reason it wasn't locking is because the switch was dirty. That's all that was. It was nothing major because, as you can see, it was all there, right? Just as it is, a dirty switch. So I cleaned the switch, wafers that are on, all the way through to the back, onto the PA stage. Done all that. I have recalibrated VFO because that was out by a good 5 kilohertz. She's dead on frequency now. She's receiving beautifully now. That was your front end amplifier stage. It was had a fault. FT8. This is only on a vertical multi-band job, so receive isn't all that strong compared to some radios, but it's still receiving beautifully. Okay, so that's that, and
Germany 16 Whiskey Delta, Sugar 51 Bravo.
Sierra 5-1 Bravo, Mexico 1, Alpha Papa Charlie. Oh, too late. Well, for the sake of the video, if you look at, you said you had problems on low power or something with 80, 40 and so on. So it's just about 12 watts there, and also we'll do again. Okay, so that's working fine. All the other bands are working just fine. 28. Just over 15 watts there. 29. Again, just over 15. 21. Okay, and 20 meters. Oops. Sorry, somebody in there. There you go. So it's all working, receiving, transmitting, doing exactly what it should be doing. So hopefully you're happy with that. Cheers, mate. Bye.